On the Carnival Paradise, the balcony rooms are this for your room tour. So this gives still an idea that the key cards are the ones you push into the slot, which makes it easy. As you first walk in, you can see that there are plenty of shelves to store your items, as well as 2 drawers at the bottom. There is also a safe. This is one of the safes that you key in the number and the code, so you don't have to try to remember a key or whatever. Just make sure it's a 4-digit number that you are going to remember. In addition, inside your room, you do have the bathroom for each cabin. The light for the bathroom is on the exterior, so make sure that you go ahead and turn that on before you enter the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, you have the shower that has the shower gel and shampoo included for you to use. Not my favorite shower gel, not my favorite shampoo, so I would recommend bringing your own shampoo, conditioner, and soap if you so choose. There is a place to store them while you're here. You also have the fancy dancy, I'm going to dry my swimsuits, that you can pull across and hook onto the other side. You can put them on the balcony. Do not hang them over the balcony, but you can put them on the chairs out there. Their shower is a removable shower head, so you can go ahead and move it around the way you want to. One thing I do like about these showers is that you can set the temperature. This is in Celsius, so figure out what your temperature is that you like, leave it there, and then just turn the knob either on or off. There is also a sink and a toilet with all of your showers, as well as a mirror. Inside this area, you do also have your outlet, so you can go ahead and plug in your razor or other items in this bathroom area as well. In the balcony rooms, you do have 2 closets, which gives you a little bit more space than some of the other rooms. The Paradise also has a refrigerator on every cabin within the ship. This is a very small refrigerator, but it does at least have a little bit of room if there's something that you want to store, leftovers, an extra dessert that you want to have later, and so forth. You also have the drawer. This is where you can find your hair dryer. Note that it is one of these small, low-powered hotel hair dryers, so you might want to consider bringing your own. You can purchase water. If you are a returning guest, you will get a bottle of water that is complimentary. Of course, there's a phone, so you can call and make any of your dining reservations for your spa, room service orders, etc. You can actually find the room service menu right up on here as well. There are outlets. There is a 220 volt for the European friends who are coming on this cruise, as well as 220 volts. And then this is kind of a new thing on the ship, that they have the USB outlets, so you can plug in your phones and other devices there. Makes things a little bit easy. As we go ahead and take a look at the closets, you can see what it takes a look at. There is hangers that are provided. They are these small hangery things, so you can't steal them. If you need more than this, you can either ask for some additional hangers, or you can bring your own. There is an extra pillow if you have a 3rd guest up on the top with the bedding. This black thing is actually a ladder that is for a 3rd person if they are staying in the bunk that folds down. And then the second closet is more shelves, and then there is an area for you to hang your shirts, because it is a shallower area than the full size on the other side. This is also where you're going to be able to find your life jackets should you ever need them, but knock on wood, never going to be a problem. As you come through here, you can see you have the option of either 2 twin beds or a king bed. They will make this up ahead of time, and you choose what you want it to be. This room also has a 3rd person available, so there is a pull-down bed that is a twin-size bed for a 3rd person. The porters will put it up each night so you have more room, or put it up in the morning so you have more room, and then put it down again at night. You do also have 2 small cabinets down here for you to store items, or 1 small cabinet for you to store items. There is also the lighting fixtures for you to control from your bed rather than having to get up all of the way. And like every place, you've got your TV. These are nice, large, flat screen TVs if you choose to watch television while you're there. One unique thing about these balcony cabins is you do have the door, but then you also, behind the curtain, have an additional window. So if you want extra light, go ahead and pull this open. Otherwise, you can keep it closed to keep some of the cool air in and the darkness if you are sleeping late. As you exit and come out to the balcony, you can see that there's a small sitting area lovely to order room service and then come and eat breakfast out here and watch the passing of the sea and any land that's there, with 2 chairs and a table. And you cannot actually see what is going on with any of your neighbors unless you peek around the side. A reminder that there is no smoking on the balconies. You can only smoke in the designated areas of the ship, regardless of whether you have a balcony cabin or not. You can also see this is a fairly large window that will let in plenty of light as you come into your room. As you have the door, this does lock. There will be a lock, and you might want to leave it locked if you are so inclined. Otherwise, you can leave it unlocked. The only thing that Carnival does ask is that when you are in your cabin, you do not leave the door wide open, as much as it would be tempting to have a nice sea breeze or a sound of the ocean as you're resting at night. This is the tour of the balcony cabin on the Carnival Paradise that has recently come out of dry dock.